Hello everyone, welcome to my channel TechRun. Today's video is going to be about how to make money online. I'm going to tell you about 5 freelancing platforms on which you can work and earn money. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also press the bell icon for future updates. Also please watch the full video so that you don't miss anything. So let's get right into the video. So here we are on my computer screen. First freelancing platform is Fiverr.com. Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services. The company provides a platform for sellers to offer services to buyers worldwide. Fiverr is different from other platforms. Here you can create your profile either as a buyer to hire people for your work or as a seller to sell your services to buyers. As a seller, you have to describe your skills, services you offer, and price you will charge for those services in the form of a gig. Buyers see those gigs. If your services are according to what they are looking for, then they place the order. On Fiverr, you can sell to a minimum $5 service in the gig. In gig, there are 3 plans: basic, standard, and premium. Seller can charge different prices for different plans according to what they are offering in those plans. There is a lot of competition on Fiverr, but that does not mean you can't earn from Fiverr. It always depends on the hunger and hard work. Let me show you some gigs. Let's search about data entry. As you can see, here are some gigs of data entry. Let's open this gig. So here are 3 plans: basic, standard, and premium. Buyer will go through these gigs, and if your skills matches their needs, they will give you order, and after completing their work, you deliver it and get paid. So the second freelancing platform is freelancer.com. Freelancer is an Australian outsourcing marketplace which allows potential buyers to post a job. On that, freelancers can then bid to complete. So the basic criteria of this platform is that you can create profile either as a buyer and post a job, and freelancers will respond to it, or as a seller, so that you can browse your niche and bid for job that matches your skills in the form of a proposal. If buyers accept your proposals, they will hire you for that project. When the project completes, you deliver it and they will pay you for your work. On Freelancer, there are 2 types of how to do work: either on hourly basis or on fixed price projects. Let me show you some projects. So here are some projects. See, this project is fixed price project, and there is another one, build a website. This is the hourly basis work project. Sellers will bid on these projects by describing their skills and price in a proposal, and buyer will check if your skills matches what they require. They will hire you, and after completing their work, you will be get paid. Next freelancing platform is Toptal.com. Toptal is a global remote company that provides a freelancing platform that connects businesses with software engineers, designers, and business consultants. Toptal is a network of top freelancers. Also, their tagline is hire top 3% of freelance talent. That means here you can hire the top freelancers with high skills. On Toptal, you can either apply as a freelancer or hire freelancers for your projects. It is very difficult to get selected as a freelancer on Toptal. Their selection procedure is tough. They will interview you and test your skills. If you are an expert of your skills, then you may be get selected as a freelancer on Toptal. If you pass their selection criteria, then you can earn a great amount of money, because Toptal has high level buyers. They will pay you high according to your skills. Let me show you how you can apply as a freelancer. Here is the button of apply as a freelancer. Click it. After that, you will see this form. You have to fill it up and then click join top 10. They will review your application and then interview you and test your skills, and then they will hire you. Next freelancing platform is Upwork.com. Upwork is the world's leading freelancing website on which millions of jobs are posted annually and through which freelancers are earning. It is same as freelancer.com. Upwork creates value for both the businesses and the freelancers. On Upwork, you can create your profile either as a buyer or as a freelancer. Here also buyer post a job by describing the project, price and the skill required to complete the project. Then freelancer finds a project according to their niche and skill and bid on the project by sending a proposal. Then buyer accepts the proposal and place the order. After work completion, the freelancer get paid. Here also freelancer can work on a project in two ways, either fixed price or hourly basis. Let me show you some projects. So let's search about data entry. As you can see, there are some projects. Here you can see $10 per hour this project. Let me open this project. Here you can see all the details this project is all about. If it matches your skills, you bid on the project and send proposal to buyer for acceptance. So the last freelancing platform is peopleperhour.com. People Per Hour is a UK based company whose function is as an online platform giving access to freelance workers. This platform works same as Upwork.com and freelancer.com, but it also provides the features to search offers provided by the freelancers as on Fiverr.com. Here buyer also post a job with skill required to complete the job. Then freelancer bid on the project in a proposal and mention their skills, and then buyer accept the proposal and give work to freelancer. Then freelancer gets the work done and earn their money. This platform also provides freelancers two ways, whether work on a fixed price project or hourly basis. For that, you need to choose the project according to your skills. So let's search some projects. As here you can see, this project is fixed price project and the next one is hourly based project. Freelancer send proposal to buyer, then buyer accept the proposal and give work to freelancer, and then freelancer get paid. So that's it in the video. I hope you really like the video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also press the bell icon. I'll catch you up in the next one. Till then, keep smiling. Bye bye.